Okay, some of you guys may have read or done a Mad Lib before. This is where we're going to create our own story. Okay, so here on the lines is where you're going to fill in your answer. So let's try some together. Amy is an excellent swimmer. When she swims, she is a fish, shark, dolphin, whatever you want to fill in here. You're just going to tap. Oh, no, sorry. You're going to tap there to insert your answer in the text box. She is as quick as a, again, you're going to fill in whatever word you want there to compare her to. Someday, Amy hopes to compete in the Olympics. In order to be the fastest, strongest, and most skilled, she must do much practicing by swimming blank number of laps. So you're going to fill in an exaggerated number, because remember, a hyperbole is an exaggeration. It's something that is just huge and doesn't really make a lot of sense. Her family and teammates would be so proud of her. They would say things like, the pool blank every time it saw Amy swim. So in that blank, you're going to add personification, which means you're giving it a human-like quality, something that people do. She couldn't wait for her award-winning moment. Blank. Into the pool she went. That last blank is onomatopoeia. That is a sound that you're going to type in. Have fun.